What would Mr. Beast do if he found a bird that lived like Batman? Subscribe before you hear what Mr. Beast did, and have a great day. He'll tell you about the bird, the oil bird, which lives in dark caves, flies silently at night, and navigates by sound, just like bats. It doesn't eat meat. It doesn't like insects. It only eats fruit. Half bird, half bat, completely crazy. Subscribe to find out what Mr. Beast would do. If it were Mr. Beast, he'd build it a fruit-filled cave home. Leave your comments and subscribe for more of this.